Take your Nutella and place it straight into your air fryer. Get that all in there, and you're gonna follow that up by cracking in your eggs. Get those all into the air fryer. I'm showing you how to make a Nutella cake in the air fryer. Then grab your milk, pour that right into here as well. The beauty of the air fryer is you can do literally everything right in there. It's a mixing bowl, it's a cooking vessel, it's everything you could ever want and more. Top that with your flour. I'm showing you how to make little brownies. Then we're gonna add in our sugar over here. Nutella obviously already has its own sugar, but a little more sugar goes a long way. Then a little bit of salt, that'll balance out all of those very many sweetness. Then we're gonna take a little bit of baking powder. Most of that egg will do the rising action, but a little baking powder will help as well. Mix it up. You wanna get this fully combined, mixing. As you can see, the Nutella is gonna take on that color and really just thicken and turn into, from a Nutella spread to a brownie batter. Mixing it up. You can also add a little bit more milk as you go, just to check if it's looking good. Mix. Now this is gonna be a very fudgy brownie, you know? We're gonna bake it right here in the air fryer. It's obviously isn't something that you can really serve out of here. It's gonna be stuck on the inside of the air fryer, but you know, it's a great snack, maybe a late night treat if you're cooking with friends, something that you could just enjoy without making a mess. No need to make a mess, no need to dirty another bowl. It will all happen right here in the air fryer. Straight into the air fryer. Look at that beauty. Chocolate heaven. Turn it on. We're now gonna air fry. You wanna air fry to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. We're gonna cook that now for about 15 minutes. Let that air fry, and then we'll have a delicious Nutella cake made entirely in the air fryer. Okay, ready for it. Look at that. It has been baking for a good amount of time, and I think it's good. Like, it has a nice crust here. The question is it fully baked on the bottom? Now, something that happens a lot of times when you attempt to make a cake in the air fryer is the bottom isn't fully cooked, but let's see. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked, and it made this just very thin brownie right over there. Perfect. We're gonna place that brownie right here, and now it is time to serve. Now you can top this whatever you'd like. I'm gonna place a little bit of ice cream right on top of there. I'm also gonna top it with some of our little baby chocolate chips. And look at that, you have made this dessert entirely in the air fryer. Look at it, comes out perfectly, comes out clean. You can cut even more pieces. You could serve this at a party. Again, if you need just a last minute, very quick and easy cake to serve to make some brownies, you can do it with that Nutella. Maybe you have someone in your life who loves Nutella. You can even top this with even more Nutella. Get a nice close look at that while I grab a fork. How beautiful is that? Give that a little swirl. Look at that, come on, absolute beauty. I'm now just gonna take a little bit of ice cream, some of our brownie, Nutella brownie made in seconds in the microwave. Not microwave, air fryer. If you love Nutella, you're gonna love this. All right, here's your own fork. Give it a try.
I'm telling the truth, I have been eyeing this dessert, and I cannot wait to give it a try because it smells.
You love Nutella.
Smells as good as it looks.
You love Nutella. What do you think?
Oh my God!
Isn't it good?
In an air fryer?
Air fryer.
Out of this world.
Absolutely crazy. And look, that probably serves at least 4 to 5 people.
Easily.